Ay, mga friends ko. Thank you, Mickey. Mickey, your message to Jimmy Kurt.
Hello. Hi. And what can I say? Except, salamat. Thanks for the homepage. I was already there.
Yeah.
It's nice. All your efforts. I really appreciate it. Super update kayo. And thanks always din palagi na sumasama kayo kahit saan. Nandun kayo palagi. We really appreciate it. And then, me and Gian especially, sayang kami na meron kaming tao kahit pa paano natatouch. So, thank you very much.
Mickey, how was your experience yesterday?
Dun
Sa correctional.
Correctional,
Yeah.
it was fun. As in, it was fun kasi pumunta ako sa correctional. Si Gian kinikwento lang sa amin, pero hindi namin alam, at especially me, ano makikita ko. Pero yung, or matatakot pa ako, or ano. Pero they were so fun, they enjoy. Ang sweet nila sa amin. Yung pumasok lang kami, they were screaming na, ang saya kaya doon. So, I'm looking forward also to go back because they like, the arms were so open and they were so warm to me.
Mickey, what can you say naman about Gian for initiating the activity?
I think she's doing a great job. So, kinikwento naman niya anong ginagawa niya. And if you look at her, honestly, you don't expect that, di ba? Pero what's nice is she's really doing it. And she puts all the effort and heart and she's so sincere into it. So, chapeau. So, talaga.
Mickey, will there be a possibility to invite you for a Grand Fans Day?
Yeah, there would be a possibility. Definitely. Pero, kailangan ko lumanap saan. But
Okay.
I would love to come. And definitely I would have time. But we need to figure out when.
Okay, thank you, Mickey. Bye-bye.
Thank you.